Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Destiny Rising on iPhone, full guide. Download the game from the App Store and sign in with your account before you start. I'll guide you through initial setup, onboarding, and essential menus so you aren't overwhelmed. We'll open the HUD, explain main modes, and show where to find your inventory and quests. Follow at your own pace and try each step on your phone. In this video, I will explain how to play Destiny Rising on iPhone, full guide. Open the control tutorial and practice the joystick, taps, and swipe combos to gain confidence. I'll explain each HUD element, where health and skills live, and how to assign quick items. You'll learn to customize controls for one-handed play or two-thumb precision. Keep experimenting with layouts until button placement feels natural and responsive. In this video, I will help you play Destiny Rising on iPhone, full guide. Adjust graphics and frame rate to match your device performance for steady play. I'll share toggles to reduce stutter, suggestions to limit thermal throttling, and tips to keep battery drain manageable. You'll see how to balance visual quality versus responsiveness so gameplay stays smooth. Test each change in a short session to find your ideal setup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.